Welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. If you have problem to allow access camera in your Instagram account, then watch the full video. Follow easy steps to access camera on Instagram in your iPhone. Guys, if you still haven't subscribed my channel, then subscribe it to watch latest video. So now here we'll start. First step on camera. If you want to take photo from here, tap on enable camera access. Now you directly go to Instagram settings. Here tap toggle on next to camera. Now open Instagram and we will check camera is truly worked or not. You can see that here camera is worked and you can take a photo. Now if you take toggle off next to camera, then you are not able to take a photo from here. If you don't want to directly enable camera from here, then launch the settings app. In settings, scrolling down and find Instagram app. Then tap on Instagram to open Instagram settings. From here, you can again allow camera access. Now take toggle on next to camera. Again go to Instagram and we will check camera is worked or not. Here you will see that camera is truly worked and you can take photo. That's